Welcome to WH Creator. In this video, we'll learn how to format a USB drive using command prompt quickly and effectively. Let's get started. Now, go to the search bar and type CMD to open the command prompt. Here, click on Run as Administrator to open command prompt with administrative privileges. Type DiskPart and press Enter to launch the DiskPart utility. Now, type list disk and press Enter to display all connected storage drives. Here, you'll see two disks listed. Disk 0 is your PC's internal drive, and Disk 1 is your portable USB. Type Select Disk 1 and press Enter to choose your USB drive. A message will appear confirming that Disk 1 is now the selected disk. Next, type Clean and press Enter to remove all data and partitions from the USB drive. Once the message appears saying the DiskPart succeeded in cleaning the disk, go to this PC, right-click on it. Now, click on Manage to open the Computer Management window. Now, click on Disk Management. Here, you'll notice that Disk 1, which is your USB drive, is showing as unallocated. Now, right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Click Next, then Next again. Here, you can assign a drive letter and give your USB a name. Click Next once more, then select Finish and give it a few moments to complete the process. Congratulations! Your USB drive is now freshly formatted, completely clean, and ready for use. All previous data has been removed, and it is free from any viruses or unwanted files, ensuring optimal performance and safety for your important documents and media. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more practical tips and tricks for your PC, USB drives, and other tech tools, make sure to subscribe to WH Creator. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial that can save you time and make your tech experience smoother and more efficient.